So now coming back to the point of Maxwell's equation in vacuum. There are some general form I have told you before, but there are Maxwell equation in vacuum. The vacuum is a linear, homogeneous, isotropic and dispersion less medium. Vacuum means what? There is nothing onto a certain body. There is no material in there. Since there is no current or electric charge is present in the vacuum, as we know, a vacuum that is a free space, there is no material there, so no current or electric charge is present in the vacuum. Hence Maxwell's equation reads as like this: the divergence of electric field is 0, the divergence of magnetic field is 0, no electric or magnetic field is there, and we get all these two things. Here is the thing, very important part. You can see here, in vacuum there may be magnetic field and there is a minus sign. Okay, the Lenz's law you have understand before. And del cross B is equal to mu naught epsilon naught ddt of E. That is gonna be the displacement current. So in that part, that means in vacuum there is no current that goes through the conductor. The J is the current density which flows through a conductor. In vacuum there is no conductor, and we evenly know that in vacuum there may be a displacement current. The displacement current, that current that flows through a vacuum, that can't be zero. So this is, that is the displacement current that we have taught before. So these equations have a simple solution in terms of traveling sinusoidal waves with the electric and magnetic field direction orthogonal to each other and the direction of travel. The electromagnetic wave equation. Now we will understand electromagnetic wave equation in the next lecture.